Hi everyone, I'm David. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that's been getting a lot of buzz lately. A tool that promises to make website building faster, easier, and more profitable than ever. In this video, I'll give you a full walkthrough and my honest review of Webira. From what it is, how it works, and why it might be a game changer for anyone looking to step into the website creation space. Before we dive in, please check the link in the description below. There, you'll find my full review article that provides all the details about this software. What it is, its features, how to use it step by step, and how you can make money with it. I also cover the pricing plans. What's included in the funnel? Is there a bundle offer? OTO offers and the early bird discount coupon. And, as a special thank you to my viewers, and to anyone who purchases through my site or through this video, I've put together some amazing bonuses. You can grab them at the end of the product review by following the link in the description. I promise these bonuses are valuable and will help you boost your profits. Just send me a message to my email, and I'll make sure you get them within 24 hours. Let's dive in and discover a tool that can completely change the way you run your business. So first, let's answer the big question. What exactly is Webira? Webira is an all-in-one AI-powered website builder. It takes you from zero to a fully functional, professional-looking website in minutes. That means no coding, no complicated design tools, and no stress. With Webira, you can enter your business information, like your name and what you offer. Let the AI generate your entire website, including all the pages, text, images, and layout. Customize the design and content with simple prompts or edits. Preview your site on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Even handle SEO settings and publishing options without breaking a sweat. Basically, Webira is like having a full web design and content team built into one platform, but without the huge costs or learning curve. And in this review, I'll show you step by step how it works, what makes it profitable, and whether it's worth your time and money. Alright, it's time to see Webira in action. In a moment, I'll walk you through the step-by-step demo, so you can see exactly how easy it is to build a website with Webira, from entering your business details to customizing pages and publishing your site.
Let's take a look and see how it works. So you get started, and when you log in, this is the desktop, this is the dashboard where you will see all the projects that you've done earlier. And to make a new website, all you need to do is click on create new website and then just give it your website name and a little bit of description about your website. Okay, so here we have it. This is a fictional company called Wingo Woodworks in this town of Arlington, Texas. And I've added some details like the kind of products they produce, and I've added information maybe about the period that the business has been operational, the founder's name, and some more interesting details, anything that I want to convey to my customer, right? Just basic information. I'm going to create the website in English, but if you want to change the language, then you can. Click on next when you're ready, and now the website plan is being created. Yes, Webira is actively thinking about the website and deciding what pages it should have and what should be the contents of each page. So that took about 10 seconds, and there you have it. You got the home page where you got a welcome page, some details about it. Then there is about us, a page called custom furniture. There's a gallery and contact. Now you will realize that every website plan is unique and is created specifically for the business. So this time we are making a website on furniture. So it figured out that it should have a page on custom furniture and it should have a gallery. It gave you rudimentary details that you can change. So if you want to change anything about these instructions based on which the entire page will be extrapolated and created, you can do that, or you can let it be. Now you can also add a new page if you want to. So if you want to add any more pages, you can. And if you want to delete any of those pages, you can do that too. Once you're satisfied, click on next again. And now you can select the AIs that you want to work with. So we have AIs, different AIs for coding the page and writing the content, and we have different AIs for images too. And we support all of the good AIs like Flux, Ideogram, GPT for images. For coding, we've got Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, ChatGPT, and Grok. Claude is actually pretty effective, and Flux is a good AI for images. And you can always change later if you want. When you're designing the page and you are creating a new image, you can decide to change AIs and replace a specific image with the new creation. It's very easy. Once you're ready, click on next. Now you will be asked to put in a logo if you have one. Now many small businesses actually have a logo when they get started. So if you have your logo, click on upload logo and put your logo in. Then the good thing is Webira will look at the colors of the logo and then figure out the color theme of your website. So often you would want your theme to be based on your logo, and Webira does that automatically. Now I don't have a logo for Wingo, but I'm gonna actually use my own company's logo just to illustrate the kind of work that Webira does. So I'm gonna find the logo for Technic Force, or let's use this one. This is PublicSoft, another company that I had earlier. Click on upload. And what's happening now is Webira is analyzing the logo, figuring out what should be the color theme and designing the color theme. So there you have it. This is based on the same colors as in the logo. Click on proceed if you want to go ahead. If you want to change the color one more time, you can click on regenerate and it will do randomization, but I will go with proceed. And now this is where a lot of the work happens. Now Webira is writing the content of each of those pages. It is planning it out, and this can take a few minutes. So I'll be back when this is done. So a lot of the work is done now. The logo is generated, the fave icon is made, the header is made, and now the individual pages are being created. So you will see a little progress bar that shows you how much time it will take. Usually all of the pages will come in quick succession because they're created parallelly. So while one page is being created, all of the other pages are being created at the same time. So once they're ready, this will change and you will be able to view the page. This takes about 3 to 4 minutes more. Here we have it. 4 of the pages are already done, only the gallery is left. So let's take a look at the home page. I'm opening it by clicking on it. And there you have it. This is the nice little back cover, crafting custom furnitures for 50 years, family tradition, master craftsmanship, your vision. And you've got nice buttons. And if you scroll down, you can see some details about where the business is. So the basic point is the layout is amazingly well done. It's tasteful, it's correct, and it is absolutely suitable for your business. So remember, we talked about all the products that the company creates: custom cabinets, wardrobes and closets, dining tables, custom sofas. Note that it comes with its own icon. And this is an image that was created by AI. So all the images that are used in Webira's creations are custom images, right? So they are unique and they are not copyrighted. So you actually own the copyright of these images, and all of these images are created for you. So 50 years of family tradition, why Wingo woodworks, 50 years experience, custom design. So it picks up the highlights from whatever details you give it. It does pick up the highlight and makes it a very, very nice, custom website that you would just love having. So craftsmanship, browser, portfolio. So this is again linking on a link to the gallery. There are some testimonials, which exactly what you would expect a business like this to have. And you can replace them with your own custom testimonials, right? So you can change this and put in your own custom testimonials. So now there's a link ready to create your own custom furniture, get started, free consultation. So this was one page, the home page, and you can change over to another page by just clicking on it, like About Us. Let's go to About Us. And you can see I did mention that in 1976, the company was established by Robert Jones, and that's exactly what it's done. The company details are here. And you can see it created the image too. So there is a nice photograph of Robert Jones, another one over here. So this is all very authentic. Look at this, 50 years of experience, first major project. If you want to modify the timeline, it's very easy. All you need to do is just click and modify. This is where the magic of Webira's editor comes in. We've got a very powerful editor that makes it extremely simple for you to start off and change things anytime. So for example, let's say Windsor joins in 2005, we can do so. So this timeline is for your reference. You can update anything, change anything you want. Just understand that the layout and the design is all done for you in a way where it creates the maximum impact. Master craftsman, traditional mastery, design excellence, finishing artistry. Look at the quality and the copy of this page. It is extremely well done, just the way you would want your website to look, right? That's the special thing about Webira. Now let's take a look at another little detail. You can change anything you want. For example, let's look at this image. Now this is a good image, but if I wanted to replace it, I could either click on it. If I want to upload my own image, of course, you can do that. Or you can change it using AI. You can create a new image using AI, or you can modify it using AI. So first I'm going to show you the modification. So click on edit this image. We've got a couple of different models to help you modify this. And we've got something over here. So let's change this. make the person hold a pen. Also make him smile and look at the viewer or camera. So you can make literally any change you want. Just tell the AI what you want to change and then just wait a couple of seconds. So you can see here the image has changed, pretty much the same image, but now it just looks more friendlier. Now you can create a completely new image too. So if you want to make a new image, let's use ideogram. Again, we have multiple AIs, right? So you can use ideogram. Let's create a photograph, realistic photo of a 65-year-old man in his carpentry workshop. He's making a fine I really don't know the name of the wood, so I'm not gonna. Okay, oak table, and you just click on generate. Now we're gonna wait again. Look at this. Now you have a different photograph. You can change things all you want. This does not limit itself to the images too. You can do anything. Now let me try something else. Let's see this section. So I'm going to change the entire section. I'm going to click on it to make it selected. Then we've got this beautiful AI over here. You can ask it to virtually change anything you want. So I'm going to replace this entire section actually. So I wrote some instructions. Instead of having this master craftsman section, I want a section about my team members. So that's exactly what I put in here. Change the contents to a section about our team members. They include Winsor Jones, master carpenter, Mark Thiel, a 20-year experience veteran carpenter, and John Thumb, a young and enthusiastic carpentry expert. Now you can choose the model that you want to. We have Claude, which is a pretty good model, and then just click on send. Now you got to wait a few more minutes while Webira figures out what to do with this section. We'll come back in just a few seconds. Check this out. You've got the beautiful new section over here, perfectly written with little bios of all the people and images that are representational. Again, if you want to modify any image, you can click on it and use this option to edit the image, or you can upload the real photograph. It's totally up to you. Now let's take a look at another section, custom furniture. And there we have it. It gives you a complete set of copies written for you. Everything is all done. Right now it's generating the image, gonna take a few seconds. We'll scroll down, and by the time we come back up, they should be done. You can see the sections are so well written, like everything you would imagine seeing on a furniture site that specializes in custom sections, right? Custom furniture, premium material and finishes. Wherever you need an emoji, it will be there. And again, you know, a call to action that is absolutely perfect. So we'll scroll up and let's see our images, if any are done yet. Here you go. Tailored storage for every space. It looks perfect. It looks better than perfect. I don't think that if you had a human designer, you would have to spend thousands of dollars. Absolutely, for sure. You would have to spend thousands of dollars to make a website like this one. And it's all taken care of using AI. All right, so let the images come in. Beautiful sofas, all different designs. And it makes sure to follow the theme. For example, if the initial theme is kind of like line art, it's say following the same theme. The style is consistent. It's not like, you know, every image is in a completely new style which would look garish and horrid. No, this looks like a well-made, well put together website, which is very nice. All right, so next there is a lot more. This is mobile compatible, of course, and if you want, you can view it in mobile mode, and you can view it in tablet mode or on the computer mode. So this is how it looks on the tablet. This is how it looks on the computer. Just click on save to save it. And you can, if you want to make any changes, like you updated something, you can update, or you can redo and undo. And if you want to regenerate the entire page, that is possible too. You can click on this button, regenerate page, and it will regenerate the entire page. And now we will go to upload section. I will show you how easy it is to upload. But before I do that, let me just show you what other things we have in here. So this is the SEO part of the website. It's already done for you for every single page. The meta title, the meta description, the keywords, they're all written for you. You can regenerate them. You can also change the fav icon if you want to. You can upload your own fav icon or regenerate using AI. Then it also has the entire CSS. So if you are technically inclined and you understand CSS, you can actually modify the CSS, copy it from here and paste it into your editor, modify it, and you can change the styles very easily. Next, It has ready-made components like images, videos, Google Maps and image sliders, all of them that you can embed. Now, it's very easy to deploy Webira websites that you create. You can click on the deploy button and we have integrations where you can download the entire website as a zip. Then you can upload it to any location, any server, any hosting. You can also host with us or get a domain name from us. You can upload this to any website using FTP, using our FTP integration system that we've created. Using cPanel, about 70% or I think even 85% of all the websites online that are PHP supported or have cPanel. So you can upload using cPanel. You can publish on GoDaddy, deploy to Hostinger. It works on every operating system. It works with every kind of environment because these are basic HTML pages, nothing special, right? Let's go back and look at more features. Now you also have SMTP settings, so you can automatically create forms. It actually automatically creates forms, and if you put in the SMTP, it can send out mailers and notifications. In fact, I'm going to show you the contact us form that's already been created by the AI. You can see this is a very nice contact us form, full name, email address, phone number. You can select a project type. This is all custom done for you, right? You only want to change your details here. The message from the person and the preferred contact method. Now, what happens is whenever people fill this form, you will automatically get a notification in your email. So when you host this website, people come to your site and they fill the contact request or consultation request. You will get a notification in your email through websites, through the website, and your leads will be recorded in the leads section, right? So you can come back and check out the leads, you can contact them, follow up and get the business. It even has a logo designer. So if you need a logo for your business, you can use AIs like Ideogram or Fluxional to create a custom logo. For example, create a very simple and clean logo for my business, Wingo Woodworks. Use make only the icon, do not write the text. So I can just put in any instructions I want. This is the instruction that I wanted, but you can use anything. Click on generate logo and in just a few seconds you will get the logo. Here you have it, Wingo Woodworks. Looks pretty neat, right?
Now let's dive into the most remarkable features of this software. First up, AI-powered website creation. Webira builds your website automatically using AI. That means you don't need to write content, design layouts, or worry about images. You just give it the basic details about your business, and the AI generates everything for you. Homepage, About Us page, service pages, images, even icons. It's like having a full web design team working for you 24/7, but without the huge cost or waiting time. Next, simple editing with prompts. Even though Webira generates everything automatically, it doesn't lock you in. You can easily edit any element like text, images, sections just by clicking on it or typing a simple prompt. For example, if you want to tweak the team section or update your service descriptions, you just type what you want, and Webira instantly makes the changes. It's intuitive, fast, and really beginner-friendly. Now, moving on to theme and design customization. Webira lets you set your website's theme and mood effortlessly. You can choose a style that matches your brand, and if you upload a logo, it even automatically picks a matching color palette for your site. This ensures everything looks cohesive and professional without spending hours on design work. Another huge advantage is SEO and mobile optimization. Webira takes care of SEO and responsiveness for you. It pre-fills meta titles, descriptions, and keywords, so your site is ready to be indexed by Google. Plus, you can preview how it looks on desktop, tablet, and mobile, ensuring your site looks great on any device. This is a huge time saver, especially if you're running client websites or want a site that actually performs online. Finally, export, publish, and commercial rights. Webira gives you full control over publishing and earning opportunities. You can download your website as a zip file, upload it to any hosting service like GoDaddy or Hostinger, and even use it commercially for clients. That means you can start your own website service business or create multiple niche sites for profit, all using one tool. Before diving deeper, it's worth getting a quick look at all the offers Webira has. This way, You can see what's available and decide which plan makes the most sense for you and your website business. The Front-End package gives you everything to start building professional websites right away. Here's what comes with it: 20,000 welcome AI credits to kick off your website creation right away. Build up to 5 websites per day so you can create multiple projects quickly. Access to 3 coding AIs and 2 graphics AIs to build and design your sites. Websites can go up to 25 pages, giving you plenty of space for content and visuals. Comes with a self-business use license, so you can legally build and sell sites. Single user access. One-time payment, no monthly fees. 1 year of free upgrades, so your tools stay fresh and up to date. Besides, Webira comes with 4 optional OTO offers and 1 all-inclusive bundle offer. So, let's break them down one by one. OTO 1. Webira Pro. Remove all the limits and get access to every advanced tool Webira has. Here's what's included: unlimited websites and unlimited pages per website, so you can build as many sites as you want. All AIs included, plus powerful widgets and components to make your sites pop. 2 years of free upgrades to keep your tools current. Team access and unlimited AI-powered editing to collaborate and tweak sites effortlessly. Commercial license, build and sell websites to clients legally. 50,000 welcome AI credits. A logo maker, WYSIWYG editor with extra features. And priority access to all new AIs. OTO 2. Webira Reseller. It gives you the rights and tools to market and sell Webira as your own product, while the vendor handles customer support. You will get 70 pro licenses to sell. Full reseller rights. Sell to your email list, social media followers, or via ads. Sell from your own pages and use your own payment system. Make your own sales pages or social posts as an authorized reseller. Flexible pricing options. Sell one-time or recurring access. Easy license management inside Webira's membership area. Your customers get full access, including support and all features. Nothing is held back. OTO 3. Tarantula SEO Pro. This is a high-speed, AI-powered SEO crawler that digs deep into your sites and even checks competitors. Tarantula SEO Pro takes the guesswork out of SEO and gives you actionable insights to improve rankings fast. The features include unlimited crawls with no page or sitemap limits, 36,000 AI credits to analyze multiple sites, on-page auditor and advanced tools, perfect for professionals. Business use license with all features included. OTO 4. Articleize Pro. This tool instantly turns YouTube videos, social posts, or URLs into high-quality, SEO-optimized articles, complete with images and ready to publish. It includes unlimited sources and unlimited article creation. 50,000 welcome AI credits to get started immediately. Advanced AI image and language models. Team access 3 licenses and the ability to publish 2 unlimited blogs. First access to new article templates and AIs, plus commercial rights. Wait, if you want to get the most out of Webira and save some money, there's a bundle offer that brings everything together in one discounted package. This is perfect for anyone who wants all the tools, upgrades, and features without having to buy each one separately. From my perspective, this bundle is a serious value. You get the Front-End package plus all the optional upgrades above, giving you full access to website creation, SEO tools, content generation, and even reseller rights. It's a one-stop solution for anyone who wants to maximize their earning potential and streamline the website building process. Here's a quick look at what the bundle includes. Front-End offer. OTO 1. Webira Pro. OTO 2. Webira Reseller. OTO 3. Tarantula SEO Pro. OTO 4. Articleize Pro. Now that you've seen the details of each offer, choose the offer that best fits your business goals and your budget. You can always check the full details again in my complete review article. The link is in the description. And remember, if you grab any of these offers through this video or through my review article, you'll unlock my exclusive bonus packages as a special thank you. Now, I want to take a few minutes to talk about something very special. When you grab this product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus package. These bonuses are carefully handpicked to help you in the areas that matter most: video creation, content generation, traffic growth, and SEO. I hope they can save you time, cut costs, and make your online journey smooth and successful. Let me walk you through some of the highlights, and I'll also show you short demos so you can see how powerful these tools really are. First up, AI Supreme, an all-in-one marketing powerhouse. With just a single login, you unlock more than 25 premium marketing apps, all under one roof. No installations, no complicated setup. For example, let's say you need a website. Inside AI Supreme, you'll find a Wix-style website builder that lets you design a professional site in minutes. Just pick a template, drag and drop, and your site is live. Or maybe you want to capture leads and sell offers. The funnel builder comes loaded with ready-made lead funnels, promo funnels, and even viral funnels you can customize instantly. Need content? The built-in AI writer does the heavy lifting. Just select your target language, choose the tone, give it a short description, and boom, you get ready-to-use content that sounds professional and natural. And my personal favorite, AI agents. Imagine having a team of professionals. Writers, designers, coders, marketers, available 24/7. Ready to complete any task you throw at them. That's exactly what AI Agents does. You can even create chatbots to engage with your audience automatically. Next is Goofy Shorts AI, perfect for short-form video creation. As you know, platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are exploding right now, and this tool makes it super easy to tap into that traffic. All you do is choose your format, whether it's TikTok, Instagram Reel, whiteboard explicable, or image-based video. Then Goofy Shorts AI creates your video in just a few clicks. Plus, you can generate AI-powered voiceovers directly inside the app, so you don't even need to record yourself. Once your video is ready, you can instantly share it across multiple platforms to maximize reach and engagement. Moving on, you'll also get Tubitraffic AI, which builds out a complete YouTube business for you. Here's how it works. Simply enter some keywords, and the software pulls up tons of relevant videos that are already proven to get views. From there, you can select the ones you want, and the tool automatically fills in video titles, descriptions, and tags optimized for traffic. You can customize the content however you like. And the best part? You can insert your own affiliate offers directly inside the videos. That means you're not just getting views, you're turning those views into commissions. Another incredible bonus is Super VA. Think of this as your ultimate virtual assistant powered by AI. Instead of spending hours writing content, designing graphics, or even coding, you can simply type in a prompt or use one of the pre-written ones, and Super VA will complete the task for you. It covers hundreds of marketing tasks with zero restrictions and zero setup. It's like hiring a full-time assistant team, but without the massive cost. You'll also get News Broadcasting Sites Builder. This one is perfect if you want to create passive income streams. With just a few clicks, you can launch fully automated news sites in virtually any niche: sports, travel, gaming, affiliate marketing, you name it. The software designs a professional website, generates fresh content with relevant images, and even updates itself automatically every day. So while you're busy doing your things, your news site is quietly attracting visitors and generating income in the background. And here's a huge one. You'll also get a library of over 500 premium done-for-you courses with master resell rights. You can totally use them to learn, turn them into your own products, or even resell them to kickstart your online biz. Topics cover marketing, business growth, traffic, social media, and much more, giving you a ready-made catalog of digital assets to profit from. Imagine adding these courses to your own funnel or selling them directly for instant cash flow. It's like starting your business with products already done for you. And these are just the main bonuses I wanted to highlight. On top of these, you'll also unlock many more special tools that I haven't even had time to show here. To check out the full list and claim your bonuses, just click the bonus link in the description below.
First, let's log into Webira. We are now on the dashboard page. Here you can see that I have created multiple websites using AI. Now we will create a completely new website. To create a new website, you can see the Create New Website button here. Let's click on it. Here you can see we have 4 steps to create a website. Currently, we are on the first step. In this step, you need to add your business name and describe your business. Then the AI will analyze the information and create some pages and plans for your website. Now, let's fill in this information first. We have one more input here. Select language. This input is important if you want to create your site in a different language. We have many languages available, and you can select any one if you want the site to be generated in that language. For now, we will select English and then click on the Next button to continue. Right now, the AI is reading the information you provided and creating some pages and descriptions that will be added to your website. Now, we are on the second step of the site creation process. Here you can see that the AI has created some pages based on your inputs, along with descriptions for each page. If you want to add more pages, you can add them, and if you want to delete any page, you can delete it from here. You can also edit this information according to your needs if you want. In the third step, we need to select an AI model that you want to use to create your website. Each AI model has its own credit cost, abilities, and features. You can choose any model based on your needs, but it's best to keep the default Claude AI model, which is great for coding. The next input is Select Website Style. This is an important option. Here you can see different types of website styles, and you can choose the one you prefer. The website will be generated according to the style you select. We are selecting the futuristic style for this website. Let's see how the website looks with this style. The next input is to select an image AI model. All images on the website will be generated using AI, and the images will be created according to the model you select. You can choose any AI model you like, and all models have different costs and abilities, so select one based on your requirements. For now, I am selecting the Flux AI model. The next input is Select Image Style. Choose any image style you want for your website's images. For now, I am selecting Realistic. After selecting the style, click on Next to go to the fourth step. We are now on the fourth and final step of generating the website. In this step, we have 3 inputs: logo upload, theme mood, and colors. In the logo upload section, if you already have your own logo, you can upload it here. If you don't have a logo, don't worry. This step is optional, and you can continue without uploading a logo. For now, I am uploading a logo to show you how it works. Let's upload our logo here to test the process. I have uploaded a logo here, and you can see that the AI automatically generates your site's theme colors based on colors in your logo. It will create the website using a theme that matches your logo's color palette. You can change the colors if you want, regenerate all the colors, or select a theme mood to automatically set the colors based on the mood you choose. Now we have completed all 4 steps. Let's proceed and generate the website. This process will take approximately 3 to 10 minutes, depending on the number of website pages and the information you provided. Now wait until this process is finished. The website plan generation process is completed. Now the AI will create the favicon, header, and all the pages. Once everything is done, Webira will send us an email informing us that the website has been created. Then we will check how the website looks. After a few minutes, I receive an email from Webira, which means our website has been created. Now let's check how our website looks. I am now on the website page. Here you can see that all our pages have been created. Now, let's check the design of this page. This is the web page editor, and here you can see that the AI is generating the images for this section. The other images on the page are also being generated by AI. At the top, you can see how many images have been generated and how many images belong to this page. The nav bar and all page content have been successfully generated, and everything matches the website style we selected. If you want to edit any text, you can edit it directly from here. You also have multiple options in the sidebar to design the page, such as adding margins, aligning text, changing text colors, changing background colors, and many other basic tools that help you edit your web page. Now let's check our other pages. Let's open the services page. On this page, you can see that all sections have been generated according to our theme and website style. You can edit these sections, add more sections, or change any section directly from here. Let's preview this page and see how it will look when you deploy it and use it in the real world. Here you can see how our site will look after deployment. Did you see how easy it is to create a website in Webira? It's very simple to build a complete website. After creating your website, if you want to deploy it, you can go to the deployment page. We have many options for deployment, and you can deploy your site using any of them. Right now, I'm on the website preview page. I've already created a website, and here you can see all the pages of the site. Let's open any page, and I'll explain how you can edit it and how AI can help you customize it. Now we are inside the editor. In this editor, you can fully customize your page however you want. You can change the text, themes, colors, images, basically everything. First, let me show you how to edit text. I'm clicking on the text section. If you want to change this text, you can simply edit it from here. If you want to change the text styling, you can do that from the sidebar. We have margin settings where you can add top, bottom, left, or right margins. You can also add border radius, padding top, right, bottom, left, and adjust text alignment. You can align your text from here. It's basic thing which help you to manage text. Next, we have container alignment, where you can align the entire container. All the basic things like width, height, and font size can be changed here as well. You can change the text color, background color, or undo any changes if you don't want them. We also have options to add links, set background styles, adjust font weight, and more. Every text element can be opened in the sidebar and edited easily. If you want to edit another element, like this button, you can also do that from the sidebar. You can change the button text, font size, color, background, height, width, margins, everything. Now let's talk about images. If you want to edit an image, you can do that from here. You can upload your own custom image, set a link on the image, adjust height and width, and more. And if you want, you can also replace the image using AI. We have floating buttons on the image that let you generate a new image or edit the existing one. When you right-click, you also get options to duplicate the image, generate a new one, and more. For example, let's generate a new image. I will type, create an image showing a company growth chart. Let's generate. The image is generating. Okay, now you can see the AI-generated image added here successfully. Now let me show you how to edit a full section using AI. For example, I want to edit this section. I'll open the AI chat on the right side. I will select the default Claude model and give a prompt. I want to change this section design. This section should have one image. Let's send it and see the response. The AI has given us a new design and updated the section. You can see it changed the text to cutting-edge technology, and also generated a new image. Let's wait for the image to load. Great. Now you can see the new section along with the AI-generated image. You can also ask the AI to change things like the background color. For example, please set a background color that matches a theme. And you can see the AI made the changes instantly. You can edit your entire website without any coding knowledge. You can add anything, edit anything, and design your page however you want. When you're done, just click Save. You can edit any page, any section, add images. Everything is possible with AI. Let's look at another feature, adding a new section. Here we have two options. You can add content, and from here you can choose any layout and customize it. You can also switch between pages easily. When another page opens, you can edit everything on that page as well. After making your changes, you can preview the page to see how it looks. Here's our home page. Notice the updated images in the background we changed earlier. Everything is visible in real time. And this is our editor, your complete website building tool. You can edit your web pages, generate full pages using AI, and customize everything easily. It's simple, powerful, and designed for everyone. Now let's create our new page. This is the form used to create a new page. Let's fill this info. I'll name it Service Page and add a short description here. Next, we have two options. Generate with AI. This option will automatically create a full page using AI. Create empty page. This will create a completely blank page. For now, I'll select Generate with AI and create the page. The page is now being created. It may take a few minutes, so let's wait. Great. The new page has been added successfully. Let's open it and see how it looks. You can see that the new service page matches the theme and style of the other pages. Same colors, same layout. And the images are being generated as well. Now the images have finished generating and the full page is ready. You can see how it looks here. And it's also automatically added to the navigation bar. If you don't like how the page looks or want something different, you can regenerate it. To regenerate the page, click here. You will see the page plan, where you can add instructions or changes you want. After you click Regenerate, the page will go into queue and AI will generate a new version of the page. Let's wait for it to complete. All right, the page has been regenerated. Let's check how it looks now. You can see the new service page here. And the images are generating again. AI also added a few extra sections this time. This shows how easy it is to create and regenerate pages using Webira. Next, let's look at how to rename pages. Click on Website Settings. Here, you can rename any page. For example, I'll rename Contact Us and also rename the services page. Then click Save. All page names have been successfully updated. Let's check them. Yes, the new names are visible here. Here you can also set the default page. When you deploy your site, the default page is the first page visitors will see. You can choose any page as a default. For example, Home Page or Services Page. Select the page you want and click Save. Now, when you deploy the site, that selected page will open first. This is how easy it is to use Webira. No coding required at all. You can create pages, regenerate them, rename them, set defaults, and manage everything effortlessly.
So, that's my full Webira review and demo, showing you how this AI-powered platform makes website creation fast, easy, and beginner-friendly. What really stands out is the AI-powered website builder. It handles everything from content to design, letting you build professional websites in minutes without writing a single line of code. If you want to dive deeper into Webira, check out all the OTOs, explore the pricing, and see why this platform could be a game changer. For your online business, Click the link in the description for the full review and grab my huge bonuses. You don't want to miss this. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you won't miss any of my future reviews and tips for online business tools. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this video helps you make a smart decision about using Webira for your website projects or even starting your own website service business.